Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I am back today and I'm actually filming from my phone this vlog. Today is, what's the date today? Is Thursday the day? Is it Thursday? Is it Friday?
Thursday.
Today's Thursday and I am so excited because finally I got my hands on it's upside down, but the MacBook Pro 2021 in 14-inch. Yes! I'm so happy because I can now finally edit my videos properly. I've had my old laptop since 2013 and this is like my second laptop ever since that 2013. So I'm really excited to have this laptop. So I'm gonna just unbox it because I'm so excited and I can't wait to use it. But yeah, let's do this. The MacBook Pro engraving at the back, baby. Oh, and it's nice and cold. Me and just throwing things everywhere. That was loud. Okay, so while that's loading, the MacBook came with the charger. Yeah, it's the charger. It's the MagSafe charger. Today's my little sister's birthday and I am going to be going out to run some errands. So I need to get a few things for her. So I'm going to be going to Westfield. And then, on another note, I have a package. Oh, let me get it. I have a package from Pretty Little Thing. I ordered some cushions, so I'm gonna open it and see what these cushions look like. So yeah. Whoa. Oh, okay. What cushions did I get? Oh, they have like this air suction thing. I have like this squiggly cushion. Let me take it out the packet. Let's see which one will go. Whoa. Yeah, so I have this squiggly cushion which would go here like that. It's a bit basic. I'm not really a fan of the squiggly one. Let's see if I pump it a bit. Not really a fan of this one. And then there is the knot cushion, which how do I open this? The knot cushion doesn't look the same as it did on the website. It was more like knotted on the website, but I think I prefer the knot one. So this is the knot cushion. I don't like any of them. Yeah, no. This is the knot cushion. Actually, I think the knot cushion looks better than the squiggly line cushion. That's the knot cushion. I don't know. I'm not sure. I've decided to go with the knot cushion instead of the squiggly cushion. This is what it looks like. My bed is creased because I don't know why. But yeah, I think that looks much better and it completes the bed. Okay, so I am now ready and I'm just gonna make my way to Westfield. So I'm wearing like this satin double print dress with a turtleneck and I'm gonna wear some chunky boots. I didn't do makeup because I don't really wear makeup that often, but when I do, I do. So I'm just gonna go to Westfield now to buy my little sister her balloons and some flowers for her birthday, and then yeah, I'll be back home. By the time I come back, she will be here just a few minutes after, so she'll probably be a bit surprised. I might not vlog her. I'm in Marks and Spencer now, just getting flowers for my sister. I'm so terrible at this vlogging thing, but yeah, so I'm literally just getting her flowers, and then I've been to Krispy Kreme's to get some donuts, and I'm also gonna go to the balloon shop to collect the balloons, which they're blowing up at the moment. I'm so terrible at the vlogging thing, but I should be done in like the next 20-ish minutes, 30 minutes. I should be out of Westfield and on my way home to get ready, etc. So I'll see you guys there. I've picked up the balloons, they're quite big, and I am making my way home. I look like I don't know, everyone's literally staring at me, and I hate when people stare at me. I don't know why. I never used to care before, but now it's like I'm super shy. And Westfield gives me anxiety, guys. It's always so busy, but I can't hold all the stuff that I'm holding, the flowers, the donuts, and the balloons, and the camera at the same time. So yeah, it's literally ram-packed in here. Okay, so I am home and I'm ready, and I've got my baby sis here. Hi. So now I am going to meet up with Tasha so we can film our content for the day. Literally, it's been a hectic day. And yeah, like my little sister had a great birthday. I don't really like these lashes because they're so long, but I'm ready. I've got my stuff. My room's a mess. I'm not gonna show you guys because it's a mess. And yeah, so I'm literally ready, just waiting for the cab to come so I can go and we can film our content. There's one thing that's really exciting, you know. I've got myself like a mini Christmas tree, and it's real. It smells good, like Christmassy. So yeah, I am now just waiting for the cab, and I'll see you guys when I am at the studio with the girlies. Hi guys, I am such a terrible vlogger. There's Tasha. Tasha, say hey. So this is the studio space. Let me just show you guys. And I'm in a bit of an awkward position. Let me put my arm back in distant exposure. Let me oh, my other arm is not in. So I was literally just about to change because I'm filming my try-on haul, which will be out by the time this vlog is out. So make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and if you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're doing. Like, I don't know what you're doing, but yeah, so the try on haul should be up by now. I'll put the iCard so you can just click on it and see the cute little pieces that I got. But the studio space, English, the studio space is top notch. I really like it. It's great. It's big enough for all of our stuff, and let me just show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so starting over here, this is me in the mirror, outfit of the day, check. Yes. And there's like a little podcast section here. There's already a camera provided and the ring light, like no equipment is needed from us at all. And then if you turn over here, it's basically someone's garage, but it's really big. And then we need the air because it's hot in here with the lights. Tasha's doing her makeup. Look at her.
There's even two. There's another studio downstairs.
There's another oh wow, this is a big place.
Massive, innit?
It's massive. So this is it. That's my favorite thing right there. I want it in my room, but my room is not big enough. Like, my room is literally like a slice of this. And then yeah, this is literally the studio space that we're working with today. So I'm filming my content. Tasha's gonna film her. She's kindly doing her makeup. Can y'all tell her to drop the skincare routine, because her skin is always on point. But I think yours is genetics, right?
I was just about to say, maybe if you don't do any skincare routine, then your skin stays nice.
I don't really have a routine anymore. I used to,
Did
but
you?
I used to, but no.
I literally don't like. People keep asking me for a skincare routine. I'm gonna make one up.
The blessed ones, God's favorite people,
Oh,
the chosen ones.
Stupid.
I feel like sometimes I breathe and I have a pimple.
You don't even have bad spots.
I do, like, I feel like I don't know, I feel like my skin could be better. I want it to be like butter smooth.
Don't we all?
But your skin is butter smooth.
No, it's not butter smooth. It's just.
But yeah.
Decent.
And I need to stop doing these hairstyles because my edges are disappearing slowly. And it will definitely be amazing with a red lip.
And then it's got the ruching down the side as well. It's just like literally a long sleeve dress. It's got like a double crossover.
So we are done filming and I am on my way back home. It's like 10 and yeah, we got some content done, but obviously Tasha wasn't feeling well, so it is what it is. But then yeah, I'll see you guys when I get home. And I've got a lot of cleaning up to do because I left my room in a mess, so yeah. Hi guys, I'm now in bed and it's very late. The time is 1:57. I don't know if you can see that. It's literally 1:57. It's so late and I am editing my video, well, making some changes to my vlog that's going up tomorrow. Yeah, so I'm gonna just go ahead and edit, and the computer switched off now, but literally what I'm doing. And then I think I'm gonna edit for about 30 minutes because it only needs to be tweaked a little bit, and then I will call it a night from there because I am so tired. But yeah, good night guys, because I probably won't speak to you, and I will see you tomorrow.